let's get into this. So we have 3 different batteries, 2 6 amp hours and a 3 amp hour. Let's see what we've got on the rails. Don't know if you can see that there. On that one we have 11.7 volts at the rails. This one we have 2.6, call it, and this one we have 2.7, which is quite interesting because I've looked at this and I'm not too sure how that's working on that one, because when I test it here, I don't know if you can see that there, we have 18.7 volts on that battery. I haven't tested this one. Ooh, okay, we are going to need to do some investigating with that just there, because we just got sparks when we touched. I'm a bit worried that this battery is shorted out in this area, so I think I'm going to desolder that. Okay, and then we can just lift the board out of the way. And then we can... A quick spark like that is not going to cause any problem, but you can see right there where that has been shorting. Batteries may be recoverable. Definitely going to need to put something over the top of all of this to protect that, and then resolder onto that with some cable. And again, I think this is the same. So when we look at this battery and you lift this up, you can see there where it's burnt, and you can see here it's melted the plastic. Apart from this battery pack, which is warm from where I tried to charge it from, I think, a dead cell. So we're going to put that one to the side for a minute, and we're going to concentrate on these 2 that we have here with the shorted contacts. I think these are going to be relatively easy to repair. Some thick electrical tape, and what I'm going to do is for this one, is what it's called, just type in YouTube lithium or lipo battery explosion. They're fun to watch, but certainly something you would not want to happen in your house. That's for sure. Okay, so you can see there, that's now completely insulated. So that's one. Let's do the same to this one. Bring you in a bit there. Right, so that's what I did. Okay, so I'm a bit happy with that. It's now a bit safer. On the battery you have this here, which is your thermal pickup, and then here you have just a battery management. I'm really surprised they've not wired this so it's charging in a different way to the way it is, because normally with lithium cells you want to charge them all individually and balance charge them. So far it doesn't actually look like we've got bad chip. It looks like we've got bad solder joints. So that can be soldered back onto there. So now we need to make a contact between here and up there I stab the solder. Yep, it's definitely soldered itself onto that. So now I'm just going to reinstall the board up here. Just run the wire in where it needed to be. There's a couple of locating pins on the bottom of the board just to help locate it into the right place. Let's screw this back on. If you enjoy watching restoration videos, check out some of the videos at the end. I'm going to link the playlist from where we have restored a whole load of Makitas I got for free, and that's one of the reasons this video is going on there. It's because now I've got all the tools. I needed some batteries, and I thought, well, why not just buy some genuine faulty batteries. I knew that was going to be hot, and try and fix them. Look at that. And we can test with the meter. How you doing there? 20 minutes in, we're still going. So there we go. That battery is now working at 18.5 volts on the rails. So that battery seems to be a good battery without any need for a new circuit board or anything else. So I've got two 6 amp hour batteries. Both charge indicators are working. They should. And charge indicator there on the drill's working. So that one works as it should. So there's that one. Restored this.